Hello KG class, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing well. Children, in previous video we have learned about different parts of a computer. Now in this video we will learn about additional parts of a computer. But children, before starting this topic, we will revise the previous topic, different parts of a computer. Okay children, let's start now. Now see children, there are four main parts of a computer. There are four main parts of a computer, that is monitor, 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 keyboard, key, key, board, board, keyboard, CPU, and mouse, mouse. So children, there are four main parts of the computer. So children, there are four main parts of a computer: monitor, keyboard, CPU, and mouse. Now see children, our body has different parts, right children? Our body has different parts and each part of our body perform different functions. Same as children, computer has different parts and each part perform different functions. So these are the parts of different parts of a computer. Computer has four main parts: monitor, keyboard, CPU, and mouse. Children, look at the board. Children, identify this part of the computer. Yes, children, identify this part of the computer. Very good, children. This is monitor. This is monitor. Spelling of monitor: MONI, moni, POR, monitor. So, children, this is monitor. Monitor is also known as VDU. VDU. Full form of VDU: Visual Display Unit. Children, your monitor looks like a television. Your monitor looks like a television. We can see pictures on the monitor. We can watch movies, cartoons, play games, and see it on monitor. So children, monitor shows the work we do on the computer. Whatever work we do on the computer, monitor shows it on the screen. Okay children? Now children, look at the board and identify this part of the computer, children. Identify this part of the computer. Yes children, tell me. Very good children. This is keyboard. This is keyboard. Spelling of keyboard: KEY, key, BOARD, board, keyboard. So children, this is keyboard. So children, keyboards looks like a typewriter. Keyboard is used for typing. And children, keyboard has many small buttons on it. These small buttons are called keys. Children, keyboard has many small buttons on it, right? Keyboard has many small buttons on it. These small buttons are called keys. So children, keyboard is used to type letters or numbers, and keyboard is also used to give commands to the computer. Keyboard is used for typing also, and it is also used to give commands to the computer. Okay children, now children, look at the board. Identify this part of the computer, children. Identify this part of the computer. Very good children. This is CPU. This is CPU. Full form of CPU: C stands for central. 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 P stands for processing. 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 And U stands for unit. UNIT, unit. So children, CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. Children, it is also known as the brain of the computer. CPU is also known as the brain of the computer. Children, we all have a brain, right? We all have a brain. Same as computer has its own brain, that is CPU. Whatever instruction and commands we give to the computer, first CPU process it, then shows the result on the monitor. That is why CPU is the main part of the computer. It processes the data. Whatever command we give to the computer, CPU process it and then it shows on the monitor. Okay, children? Now, children, look at the board. Identify this part of the computer, children. Identify this part of the computer. Very good, children. This is mouse. Spelling of mouse. 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 So, children, this is a mouse. Mouse is also known as pointing device. Children, mouse has two buttons and one scroll wheel. Left button, right button and one scroll wheel. Okay, children? So, children, a mouse is also used to draw pictures on the computer. And children, I told you in the previous video also, we kept mouse on the mouse pad. We always get mouse on the mouse pad. Children, we can point and select the objects on the monitor screen with the help of mouse. And even we can play games on the computer with the help of mouse. Okay, children? Now, children, additional parts of a computer. Computer has four main parts, but it has the additional parts also. And additional parts of a computer are, number one is speakers. Spelling of speakers, Speakers, speakers. So, children, these are speakers. Next is, children, printer. Prin, print, ter, printer. Children, this is a printer. This is a printer. Children, next additional part of a computer is scanner. Spelling of scanner, Scanner. Scanner. Children, this is a scanner. This is a scanner. Now, children, next is additional part of a computer is headphone. Spelling of headphone, Head, phone. Headphone. Children, this is a headphone. Now, children, next additional part of a computer is microphone. Spelling of microphone, micro, phone. Microphone. Children, this is a microphone. Now, children, let us learn about the additional parts of a computer in detail. Children, first additional parts of a computer is speaker. These are speakers. Speakers help us to listen to the recorded sound or music. With the help of speakers, children, we can listen to the music or a recorded sound which is playing in the computer. Okay? So, children, if there is no speakers, then we will not be able to listen the recorded or music or sound which is playing in the computer. Okay? So, speaker is also an important part of the computer. Children, next additional part of the computer is printer. I showed you the picture of printer, children. This is a printer. This is a printer. Children, printer is used to print the text or picture on the paper. Printer is used to uh, print the text or picture on the paper. Some printers give black and white print, some give colored print. So, children, suppose if we have typed something on the computer and we want the hard copy of that data, so we need printer, because with the help of printer we can get the printout of that data. Okay, children, so printer is also an important part of the important and additional part of the computer. Now, children, take out your computer fair notebook. Now, children, first you will mention your name and class. Then here you will write second assignment in capital. Now, children, come to the next line. Here you will mention the date and write H.W. Now, children, come to the next line. Here you will write QUE.1. Question number 1. Complete the missing alphabets to make a meaningful word. Here you have to complete the missing alphabets to make a meaningful word. Okay, children. Now come to the next, number 1. This is the spelling of monitor. 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 Done, children. Now come to the next number 2. Number 2, the spelling of keyboard. Spelling of keyboard. 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 Done, children. Now come to the next number 3. Number 3, the spelling of mouse. 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 Done, children. Now come to the next number 4, spelling of CPU. CPU. Done, children. Now come to the next number 5. Number 5 is the spelling of printer. 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 Done, children. Now come to the next number 6. Number 6 is the spelling of speakers. Spelling of speakers. 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 Done, children. Now come to the next number 7. Number 7 is the spelling of scanner. Spelling of scanner. 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 Done, children. Now come to the next. Write QUE.2. Question number 2. Name the 4 main parts of a computer. You have to write the name of 4 main parts of a computer. Now, children, turn the page. Children, in the next page, you will write A and S dot answer. The 4 main parts of a computer are: number 1, monitor; number 2, keyboard; number 3, CPU; number 4, mouse. Okay, children? And children, in this page, again you have to mention your name, class, then you will write here second assignment in capital, mention the date here, write h.w. And question is, draw and color the picture of CPU. Here you have to draw and color the picture of CPU. Okay, children? We help your ward to write these questions. Children, in next video we will continue with the remaining topics of additional parts of a computer. Till then, take care, stay safe, stay at home. Thank you.